Flutter packages are essential tools that extend the capabilities of the Flutter framework, allowing developers to integrate pre-built functionalities into their applications without reinventing the wheel. These packages, created by the Flutter community and Google, cover a wide range of features, such as UI components, state management, animations, and backend integrations. By leveraging packages, developers can save time, reduce errors, and focus on building unique aspects of their apps. Packages are designed to be modular, making them easy to add or remove, and they follow Flutter's standards to ensure compatibility. This ecosystem of reusable code is one of Flutter's biggest strengths, enabling rapid development and fostering collaboration among developers worldwide. PUBDev is the official repository for Flutter and Dart packages, serving as a central hub where developers can discover, share, and manage dependencies for their projects. It hosts thousands of packages, each accompanied by documentation, version history, and user reviews, making it easier to evaluate their suitability. Developers can search for packages based on categories, popularity, or specific use cases, ensuring they find the right tools for their needs. PUBDev also provides critical metrics like package health, which assesses code quality, maintenance, and adherence to best practices. By streamlining package management, pub.dev simplifies the process of integrating third-party code, ensuring projects remain organized and dependencies are up to date. The Confetti package is a popular Flutter library designed to create celebratory animations, such as particle effects resembling confetti bursts, often used to celebrate user achievements or game victories. It offers customizable parameters like colors, shapes, emission duration, and directional controls, allowing developers to tailor animations to their app's theme. The package uses Flutter's rendering engine to ensure smooth performance across devices, even with complex animations. Its simplicity and visual appeal make it ideal for gaming apps, fitness trackers, or educational platforms where rewarding users enhances engagement. By integrating the Confetti package, developers can add a touch of delight to their apps with minimal effort. When using Flutter packages, developers rely on pub.dev's robust infrastructure to manage dependencies through the pubspec.yaml file. This file lists all packages and their versions, ensuring consistency across development environments. PUBDev's versioning system helps avoid conflicts by allowing developers to specify version constraints, reducing the risk of breaking changes. Regular updates to packages are tracked on pub.dev, and developers can migrate to newer versions using detailed migration guides provided by maintainers. This system promotes stability and security, as outdated or vulnerable packages can be easily identified and updated, maintaining the app's reliability over time. The Confetti package's flexibility extends to its ability to simulate realistic physics, such as gravity, wind, and particle spread, making animations feel dynamic and lifelike. Developers can trigger confetti effects programmatically, such as after a user completes a level in a game or achieves a personal milestone. The package also supports multiple simultaneous bursts, enabling complex celebratory sequences. Since it's open source, developers can modify the source code to create unique variations, though the default settings are often sufficient for most use cases. Its lightweight nature ensures it doesn't bloat the app, making it a practical choice for performance-conscious projects. PUBDev's scoring system evaluates packages based on factors like documentation quality, code health, and platform support, guiding developers toward reliable solutions. High-quality packages often receive verified publisher or Flutter favorite badges, signaling trustworthiness. Developers can contribute to packages by reporting issues, suggesting features, or submitting pull requests, fostering a collaborative environment. PUBDev also highlights trending packages, helping the community stay updated on emerging tools. This ecosystem encourages innovation, as developers build upon existing packages to create specialized solutions, reducing duplication of effort and accelerating the development life cycle. Integrating the Confetti package involves adding it to the pubspec.yaml file and importing it into the relevant Dart files. Developers can then use the provided widget or controller to manage animation states, such as starting or stopping the effect. Customization options include adjusting colors to match the app's branding, changing particle shapes to stars or hearts, and controlling the emission area on the screen. The package's documentation offers clear examples, making it accessible even to those new to Flutter. By following best practices, such as limiting active animations during low-performance scenarios, developers ensure smooth user experiences. PUBDev's role in the Flutter ecosystem cannot be overstated. It acts as a bridge between package creators and consumers, ensuring a seamless exchange of tools. Developers publishing packages on pub.dev must adhere to guidelines that emphasize clarity, proper licensing, and thorough documentation. The platform also supports private packages for teams needing restricted access, catering to enterprise environments. As Flutter grows, pub.dev continues to evolve, adding features like automated security scans and dependency graphs, further solidifying its position as an indispensable resource for developers. The Confetti package exemplifies how niche utilities can significantly enhance user experience. Beyond games, it can be used in e-commerce apps to celebrate purchases, in social media platforms for milestone notifications, or in productivity apps to mark task completion. Its versatility stems from Flutter's cross-platform nature, ensuring consistent animations on iOS, Android, and the web. By incorporating such engaging elements, apps can foster emotional connections with users, increasing retention and satisfaction. The package's ongoing updates and community support ensure it remains compatible with the latest Flutter versions, future-proofing its utility. The Confetti package exemplifies how subtle animations can elevate user engagement by turning mundane interactions into memorable experiences. Designed to simulate festive particle effects, it is often used in gaming apps to celebrate victories or in fitness apps to reward milestones, creating a sense of accomplishment. The package leverages Flutter's animation APIs to generate bursts of confetti with customizable properties like color gradients, shapes, example circles, hearts, and movement patterns influenced by simulated physics. Developers can adjust parameters such as gravity, emission speed, and wind direction to create effects that align with their app's aesthetic, whether whimsical confetti showers in a children's app or sleek, minimalist bursts in a productivity tool. Performance optimization is a key consideration. The package efficiently manages rendering to avoid frame drops, even on lower-end devices. Its event-driven design allows animations to trigger on specific user actions, such as completing a purchase or achieving a high score,